Antes de iniciar con este video, te recuerdo que próximamente tendremos sorteos
en nuestro canal de YouTube.
Así que es importante que realices lo siguiente. ¿Lo vistes? Entonces ahora sí, comencemos con el video. Hello everybody, welcome to this new week. I am Miss Lady D, your English teacher. Welcome to this week. We continue with the project number 1, week number 3. Plan educativo Aprendamos Juntos en Casa. The topic for this week is what if the objective is to produce well-constructed informational text by applying the grammar and writing process correctly. Question: what will happen if we do not change our habit with the environment? Here we have a possible answer for you, okay? If we don't change our habit with the environment, we will destroy the air planet. Fires, pollution, the production of CO2 will influence the deterioration of the ozone layer. Remember that this is a possible answer. You have to change according to your opinions, okay? In this week, we have a reading. Pay attention to the following reading.
Scientists all around the world have warned about the terrible consequences of our survival if we do not start changing the way we use natural resources. A. If population growth continues this fast, there will not be enough food for everybody in the future. B. If we have high carbon dioxide concentration levels, the sun's heat does not go back into the space and stays on the planet. C. If the sun's heat stays, it produces a greenhouse effect and global warming. D. If humans destroy ecosystems, many species lose their homes forever. Now, 2 in 5 amphibian species are at risk of extinction. E. If farmers do not stop using toxic chemicals on crops, many pollinators insects will disappear. In some regions, 1 in 10 insect species are in danger of extinction. F. If we do not reduce plastic use, our oceans will have more plastics items in them than animals. G. If the temperature of the planet increases, ice from the poles will melt and disappear. H. If the ice of the poles disappears, many cities on the coast will be flooded. I. If we start doing something now, we will avoid a sad future.
Okay, please remember that you have to read all of this information very carefully and you have to continue with the next activity, okay? In this week, we are going to talking about grammar tips. Pay attention to this. In this, we have to learn about the conditional. We have to this. The zero and the first conditional are used in English to describe situations that happen or will happen in the future. Pay attention. Here we have the zero and the first conditional. Okay? Here we have the first conditional. For example, if the weather is nice, I'll go to the park. Yes, here we have an example that this is an example for you. The zero conditional. If ice cream gets warm, it melts. Okay, pay attention to this. Okay, so here we have another example. The zero condition. We have these structures of the zero condition. First, we have to start with the if, have conditions, and a result. okay? Pay attention to this. If like simple present tense and simple present tense, another part of the sentence. For example, pay attention in this example. If the sun stays, it produces a greenhouse effects and global warming. Okay, we have two parts of this sentence. The first is this. Here the verb is in simple present tense, and the another part, the second part of this, is in simple present too. Yes. So remember, when you use the zero conditional, the two parts of the sentence are in simple present. And you have to notice about the rules when you have to use about the third persons. Okay, you have to change. Okay, for example, in this we have a third persons, the sons. You have to add the letter S in the present. Yeah. So this is about the zero conditional. Use the zero conditional for general truths, habits, real words, scientific facts, etc. Okay. And the first conditional, when you use this, the first conditionals. Okay, pay attention to this. Probably results in the future for actions in present. Okay, this is the instructions for the first conditionals. In this, we have all of these sentences, these examples, and we have these instructions. First, we have the conditional if. Yeah, the second part of this is, for example, if we work hard, we will finish the project on time. This is an example. The third part of this sentence, you have to write in present simple. Pay attention. The verb is in present simple. Yes, the work. Then we will finish the project on time. This is the second part of your sentence. You are going to use this word will to express future simple. Will and the verb. Yes, this is the second part. So here we have the if, the conditions, and our results. Yeah, this is the instruction that you have to do when you make a first conditional sentence. Okay, here we have another example. If the temperatures in the world increases, ice from the poles will melt and disappears. Yeah, look at this. Notice these examples. Increase, this is the first part of your sentence with the if. Then the verb is in present simples. Yeah. And the another part of this, you have to write the will that press the futures and the verb. Okay. This is for you. Please pay attention in this. So here we have another word, a new word for you. Note. Look for the meaning of the words highlighted in orange. Yeah. Here I'm going to show you some of these words. Growth, go bad, growth, increase, melt, about. Yeah. Here we have a vocabulary for you. Okay. In this activity, you have to put pictures according to the description of each one. Yes, put a pictures according to this. Okay. So here we have another activity for you. From the list present in the reading, remember the reading, the previous reading, you have to choose 4 possible consequences of actual human habits on the environment. Write a possible solution for them. Okay, you have to choose or select 4 possible consequences and you have to write a possible solution. For example, I'm going to show you 2 examples. Yes, remember that this is an example for you. Okay, here, if we don't reduce plastic use, our oceans will have more plastic items in them than animals. Yeah, this is a consequence. Okay, here we have a solution, a possible solution. We have to reuse and recycle the plastic things at home. Okay, I'm going to show you another example for you. If farmers do not stop using toxic chemicals on crops, many pollinators, insects will disappear. Okay, this is the consequence and the possible solution. We have to use natural systems to conserve our environment. Yeah. Remember that this is the activity that you have to do, and you have to say all of these activities inside of your portfolio. Remember this, okay? So here I'm going to show you some pictures for you. Okay, that's all for this week. Thanks for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, to share my video with all of your students, please. Remember, it is very important for me, your likes. Please don't forget to subscribe to another channel, the Dejame. This is for your entertainment, please. No olvides, por favor, suscribirte a este canal y también al otro canal que tenemos, de Dejame. En estos dos canales vamos a hacer los sorteos que tenemos previstos para todos nuestros suscriptores. Por favor, comparte nuestros videos. Suscríbete, es muy importante que estén suscritos, por favor, danos tus likes para que podamos realizar estos sorteos. Como ya mencioné anteriormente, tenemos muchos premios sorpresa para ustedes, como son camisetas, vasos, gorras con logos personalizados, cosas muy increíbles para todos. Por favor, no se olviden suscribir y seguir observando nuestros videos, ¿ok? Es todo por esta semana. Bye bye, see you next video. Bye.
Bye.